So these things can do one-shot and few-shot learning. So you don't need thousands of images to tell it what an apple is. So we've got a few-shot image classifier running on a Raspberry Pi that you just like take a picture of it and it can start to learn what it is. And that's much more like how a toddler learns, right? Like you don't show a toddler thousands of pictures of a horse in like a picture book before it starts to understand the concept of a horse. So yeah, it's completely fundamentally different than basically most of the things that you know of and have heard of. So yeah, much less training, much lower training data and things like that that enable you to basically get rid of things like the data annotation sweatshops and things like that. We've also done some cool things with like online game playing that we have demos running on like a Raspberry Pi, only using like 1 watt of power. And then we can do some cool solving analogical reasoning puzzles. And these are all on our blog. I won't go into them too much deeper here. But when we do these things, what we've found in some of these experiments is that our models in various tests, we can do things like use 56 times less energy consumption than a neural network to solve the same task, 3 times less memory usage, and it can learn like 2.5 times faster, and again with much fewer training samples.